How to sign up on NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your browser and go to NanoBanana.ai in the address bar to visit the official website. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign in button in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you to the login page where you can start the sign up process. You have two options to create an account using Google Sign In or email sign in. If you choose Google, click on Continue with Google, then enter your email and password to proceed. The process is fast and links your Google account directly. If you prefer to sign up using email, click on Email Sign In and type in your email address. Next, click on Send Verification Code. Head over to your email inbox, copy the verification code you received, and paste it into the verification box on the nanobanana.ai page. Once that's done, click on Verify and sign in. After verification, your account is successfully created and ready to use. You can now explore all the features and tools the site offers, customize your profile, and enjoy a seamless experience. Now you know how to sign up on nanobanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.